Hallo Leute! Hello guys! Kumusta? For this video, may panibago kaming adventure ni Alex. Bale, pupunta kami sa
Budapest, Hungary. Yes, we'll take you to another adventure as we visit one of Europe's most magical cities, Budapest, Hungary. So buckle up as we explore its breathtaking architecture, visit museums, and indulge in delicious Hungarian treats. Join us in this 3-day and 2-night fun adventure, and let's dive in and experience Budapest together.
So, konting information lang guys about dun sa travel time namin. From Munich Hauptbahnhof, which is the train station, pumunta kami dun sa Wien, Austria. Kasi dun yung transfer. Yung travel time was about 4 hours and 20 minutes. Tapos, from Wien to dito sa Budapest, it took us about 2 hours and mga 30 minutes, ganon. Ngayon naman, ang first agenda namin is pumunta dun sa apartment. Bale, mag-check-in muna kami. So, tara!
We purchased the 24-hour group Budapest travel card as it gave us an unlimited number of trips within the time duration. It only costs 5,000 forints or 12 euros for up to 5 passengers traveling together.
Delete mo lang.
3 tapos.
Or ka nasa Amazing Race, ah.
Okay, 3-3.
So,
Ano na yung next na clue? Oo.
Pasok na tayo ngayon, ha? After entering, you find the stair on your right. Stepping out of the elevator, you turn left. Yeah. Ayan, Bia.
Next clue pa.
Wala pa tayo sa oras. Spot na pa tayo. Bia, ikaw na lang.
Alam mo kung nasa ano ka, patay ka na.
Ba't ko din sinususi? Ang tangan ko. Ang daming dikoy kasi. May susan, wala kang purpose dyan. Ano ka ba?
Wala kang magnanakaw ka daw, mag-give up ka na lang.
Kaya ayaw ko sumali sa Amazing Race.
Ayun. Grabe naman to challenge.
We stayed at Ultra Central Balcony and we booked it via booking.com. We chose this accommodation as this was perfect for us. It has 2 bedrooms and 2 separate comfort rooms. The bathroom is equipped with a shower, bathtub, and a toilet. The kitchen is also equipped with all the essentials, starting from cooking wares and appliances. Lastly, the balcony gives you a good view of the outside. The total cost of our accommodation for a 3-day and 2-night stay was only 155 euros. So, consider staying at Ultra Central when you visit Budapest, Hungary.
So ngayon guys, maghahanap lang kami ng kakainan kasi yun, nagugutom na nga kami. Yun ang first agenda namin. Malamig dito?
Ayamig.
So, kakain lang kami dito guys sa KFC kasi mag-i-snack lang kami kasi nagugutom na kami. So, tara! Kain tayo guys! So yun, nakatapos lang namin kumain guys. Ngayon time check, it's just 5 p.m. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang dilim na. Para na siyang 10 p.m. no?
Yun, winter na kasi.
So ngayon, papunta kami dun sa cathedral. Yun yung first na spot na bibisitahin namin. So tara, join us!
St. Stepen Basilica is famous for its intricate carvings, lavish interior, gold accents, and exquisite mosaics. It is named after Hungary's first king, St. Stephen, whose mummified right hand is actually housed inside the ceramic. The dome stands 96 meters tall, making it one of the tallest buildings in Budapest. It is equal in height to the Hungarian parliament. We've heard that there's also a viewing platform for breathtaking 360-degree views of Budapest. You may want to try it when you visit Hungary. Don't miss a photo op with a fat policeman statue, also known as Uncle Carl. He is famous for his belly, which is a golden patina. This is a clear sign that many people love rubbing his belly. It is also believed by many that rubbing his belly brings good luck and prevents you from gaining too much weight. So you can indulge yourself as much Hungarian food as you like. He has also kept a watchful eye on the basilica since 1987. So now let's head to our next destination. And now let's set sail along the majestic Danube River and witness one of Budapest's iconic landmarks, the Hungarian Parliament Building. The tickets cost only 12 euros per person for a thrilling 1-hour breathtaking boat ride.
So, on the way na kami ngayon sa barko na sasakyan namin.
Tara!
So, nandito na kami ngayon sa barko.
Uma-under na siya ngayon. Yung super ganda.
So, ipapakita na lang namin sa inyo yung view ng aming tour.
You will also see a good view of the chain bridge as you sail in the Danube River. This bridge was completed in 1849, making it the first permanent bridge to link Buda and Pest. This is the famous Hungarian Parliament building. Did you know that this structure is the third largest parliament building in the world? It's a testament to Hungary's rich heritage and its aspiration on the global stage at the time. This architectural masterpiece was completed in 1904. The Parliament building is mostly mesmerizing at night. It illuminates at nighttime and its golden lights shimmer on the Danube, creating a mirror-like reflection that is so magical. Be sure not to miss this when you visit Budapest, Hungary. Now let's explore a little more of Hungary's beautiful architecture. Budapest will never bore you. Allow your eyes to wander and witness the beauty of the place. The city is an architectural symphony and a sculptural gallery, where every corner whispers tales of history and artistry. And now, let's look for something to eat.
So, nag-order kami ng langos, guys. Bale, 17 euro siya. Pero, sulit naman kasi ganito siya kalaki. Kain! Hirap naman ito.
Laki.
Ano na lang? Ganito.
Breakfast na natin daw hanggang bukas. Ay, meron din pala akong ganyan. Dalawa yan. So this is ano to? Langos chicken. Parang pizza burger. Ano siya?
Bread siya na may cheese. Mas ito chicken. Perfect bite.
Hapa. Masarap.
And that's how our first day ended in Budapest, Hungary. We'll share more of our travel adventures in our next video. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more Alpha adventures. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Danke und tschüss.